Question 1. The last Mauryan king was A. Pushyamitra Sunga, B. Ashoka, C. Harsha, D. Brihadrata. Answer: D. Brihadrata. Question 2. Bimbisara was succeeded by A. Ashoka, B. Ajatasattu, C. Vasudeva, D. Chandragupta Maurya. Answer: B. Ajatasattu. Question 3. The Upanishads are separated from the Brahmanas by treatises called A. Vedas, B. Aranyakas, C. Epics, D. Puranas. Answer: B. Aranyakas. Question 4. The successors of the Satavahanas in the Deccan were they A. Vakatakas, B. Kadambas, C. Rashtrakutas, D. Chalukyas of Badami. Answer: A. Vakatakas. Question 5. The painting in the Ajanta caves shows an Indian king receiving an embassy from the king or Persia. The king receiving the embassy has been identified with A. Pulakeshin I, B. Pulakeshin II, C. Rajendra Chola, D. Daruvar IV. Answer: D. Daruvar IV. Question 6. The last Nanda ruler of Magadha who was overthrown by Chandragupta Maurya with the help of Chanakya was A. Mahapadmananda, B. Dhanananda, C. Navananda, D. Not known. Answer: B. Dhanananda. Question 7. The Pallava king who adopted the epithet of Vichitrachitta of curious-minded was A. Mahendravarman I, B. Narasimhavarman I, C. Narasimhavarman II, D. Sinhavishnu. Answer: A. Mahendravarman I. Question 8. River Chenab was known as ancient times as A. Parushni, B. Sachudri, C. Himadri, D. Asikru. Answer: D. Asikru. Question 9. According to ancient Indian legendary sources, Surbi was an A. wish-fulfilling tree, B. treasure in the form of a cow, churned from the cosmic ocean, C. medicine prepared by Dhanvantari, D. intoxicating drink consumed during religious ceremonies in ancient times. Answer: B. treasure in the form of a cow, churned from the cosmic ocean. Question 10. Kapilavastu is associated with A. Emperor Ashoka, B. Sri Krishnadeva Roya, C. Lord Mahavira, D. Lord Buddha. Answer: D. Lord Buddha. Question 11. The ninth incarnation, avatar, of Vishnu was A. Parasurama, B. Buddha, C. Krishna, D. Rama. Answer: B. Buddha. Question 12. Ayurveda has its origin in A. Rig Veda, B. Samaveda, C. Yajurveda, D. Atharva Veda. Answer: D. Atharva Veda. Question 13. Who wrote Kiratajuniam? A. Bhasha, B. Bhartruhari, C. Bhavabhuti, D. Bharavi. Answer: D. Bharavi. Question 14. The author of Sivaji Chintamani, considered to be a Tamil epic, was A. Buddhist, B. Hindu, C. Jaina, D. Muslim. Answer: C. Jaina. Question 15. Who wrote Kiratajuniam? A. Bahas, B. Bhavabhuti, C. Bhartruhari, D. Bharavi. Answer: D. Bharavi. Question 16. Who was the author of Amukta-Malyada? A. Bhoja, B. Harshavardhana, C. Krishnadeva Roya, D. Amoghavarsh. Answer: C. Krishnadeva Roya. Question 17. One of the founder kings of a ruling dynasty of North India elected by the people was A. Chandradeva of the Gahadavala dynasty, B. Gopala of the Pala dynasty, C. Ajayaraj of the Chauhan dynasty, D. Jeja or Jeja of the Chandeka dynasty. Answer: B. Gopala of the Pala dynasty. Question 18. Two great Buddhist universities of Nalanda and Vikramshila were patronized by the A. Palas, B. Paramaras, C. Chandelas, D. All the above. Answer. Akbalas. Question 19. The Chahamana or Chauhan king who founded the city of Ajmer and made it his. A. Ajayaraj. B. Vigraharaj IV. C. Vigraharaj III. D. Prithviraj III. Answer. A. Ajayaraj. Question 20. Three most important cities associated with the Chandelas were A. Khajuraho, Mahoba or Mahotswanagar and Kalinjar. B. Dhara, Kalinjar and Chhatarpur. C. Tripuri, Kalinjar and Khajuraho. D. Mahoba, Banda and Chhatarpur. Answer. A. Khajuraho, Mahoba or Mahotswanagar and Kalinjar.